Welcome to section 4 of this course, which is Statistics in SAS. In this section, we will go through Introduction to Statistics and Probability. Then we will see what are the major categories of statistics, which are descriptive and inferential. Then we will see understanding statistical terms and what are the different types of variables. Then we will learn about hypothesis testing, which is an inferential statistic technique, which will be followed by parametric and non-parametric tests including t-test, ANOVA and chi-square. At the end, we will look into various procedures in SAS which are used for descriptive statistics. Let's start with Introduction to Statistics. Statistics is a mathematical science or body of techniques which is used to collect, present, organize and analyze and interpret the data for better decision making. There are many situations where the problems are too complex or poorly defined, or the data is not precise, and it becomes very difficult to make decisions. Proper application of statistical analysis help to deal with such situations by simplifying them in order to make well-informed decisions. Thus, to be able to predict future outcomes, various statistical functions, principles and algorithms are used to analyze and interpret the data. Statistics is used in various areas. It is used for data collection, data interpretation, data analysis, as well as data presentation. There are two analytical methods, statistical analysis or non-statistical analysis. Statistical analysis is a component of data analytics, and its goal is to identify pattern and trends. It analyzes the data, explores it, creates a model, and then performs predictive analytics to decide on future actions. Statistical analysis is also known as quantitative analysis. Non-statistical analysis does not use a formal statistical method and provides very general information based on individuals' judgment and assumptions. Non-statistical analysis is also known as qualitative analysis. Statistical analysis is more important for businesses as it gives better insights of the data, even though both forms of analysis generate some results. Now let's have a look at categories of statistics, which are descriptive and inferential. There are two main branches or methods of statistics, descriptive statistics and inferential statistics. Both of these statistics give different insights into the nature of the data gathered. Each of them are different, offering different techniques to achieve varied objectives. But if only one of them is used, it does not give the entire picture of the data. So, it is important that they are used together to be able to provide a powerful tool for description and prediction. Now, what is descriptive statistics? Descriptive statistics are numerical, tabular, and graphical methods which are used to describe and summarize data in a meaningful manner. Tools which are used for descriptive statistics are: first, measures of central tendency, which are mean, median, mode, and second, spread of data, which includes range, standard deviation, etc. The final output or results are depicted in the form of graphs, tables, or charts. For example, suppose you have marks of 100 students and you are interested in the overall performance of these students. Descriptive statistics provides the tools to define data. In this case or example, using descriptive statistics, you would record marks of each student, find the maximum, minimum, and average marks of the entire class. Now let's have a look at inferential statistics. Inferential statistics uses data from sample to make inferences about the larger population from which sample was obtained. It is used to determine relationships between the variables within a sample and then make predictions about how these variables will relate to the entire population of data. Inferential statistics uses probability theory to determine the probability of the characteristics of the sample. There are two major divisions of inferential statistics: hypothesis testing and analysis of variance. which we will look in our further sections. Consider the same example of determining the performance of the students in the class. In inferential statistics, you would take a sample of students out of 100 students and measure their marks. This sample would then be considered for statistical study of the larger population of students from which the sample was obtained.